Hello dear student, you are all welcome to our YouTube channel HM Teach Assam. In this class we are going to discuss about number system of class 9 mathematics. In last class we have discussed about an exercise. Now in this class we are going to start exercise 1.5. Before move on to the exercise, just look at this example 20. You can see here the question is rationalize the denominator of 1 by 7 plus 3 root 2. This type of question must arise in your exams. So you should know how to rationalize the denominator. So this part, suppose a by b here, a is numerator and b is denominator. So in this question you have asked to rationalize this 7 plus 3 root 2. Since this is irrational, so we have to turn this into rational number. So let's start. You can see that here 7 plus 3 root 2, and since here is a plus, so you have to multiply this term with another term, so having minus. So here multiplied. So now this part is in formula, that is x plus y whole into x minus y, and as you know, equal of this formula is x square minus y square. So like this you can solve this. If you solve this, then you will find that 7 into 7 square, and 3 root 2 into 3 root 2. So this will be whole square. Then if 7 into 7, you will have 49, and if you whole square this part, you will find 18. So if you deduct 18 from 49, then you will find 31, which is a rational number. So in this way you can rationalize the denominator. Now move to exercise 1.5. You can see in the first question here, classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. So you have to classify whether these given numbers are rational or irrational. So to do this, you must have ideas which are rational and which are irrational. In the discussion of this chapter, you have seen that here when we subtract an irrational number from a rational number, then the resultant number must be a irrational number. You can see here 2 is rational and root over 5 is irrational. So number 1 is irrational. And in number 2, you can see that if you remove this bracket, then you will find 3 plus root over 23 minus root over 23. So this plus minus will be cancelled, then you will find 3, which is a rational number. So number 2 is rational. This is rational. And next number 3, you can see here if we cancel root over 7 by root over 7, then we will find 2 by 7, which is a rational number. So number 3 also rational. And you can see here, though 1 is rational but root over 2 is irrational. So when a rational number is divided by an irrational number, then the resultant number will be irrational. So this is irrational. And number 5, this is irrational. As you know, pi is a rational number because pi can be expressed in the form p by q, so it is rational. So now number 2, simplify each of the following expressions. You have to simplify this. Since first one is not in any formula, so you have to just multiply this. If you multiply this 3 into 2, 6, again 3 into root 2, so 3 root 2, and root 3 into 2, so 2 root 3, and root 3 into root 2, you will have root over 6. Just this is the simplification of this question number 1. You can move to question number 2 here. You can see here question number 2. This is in formula, that is x plus y whole into x minus y. So you can simplify this part in this way: x square minus y square. So you see 3 square means 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. So this is the simplification of question number 2. Now question number 3, yeah, you can see root over 5 plus root over 2 whole square. This is in the formula x plus y whole square. So you can simplify this in this way, yeah. X square plus twice x y plus y square. So you will have now 5 plus 2 root 10 plus 2. So this 5 plus 2 is equal to 7 plus 2 root 10. So this is the simplification of question number 3. 7 plus 2 root 10. Now next question number 4. You can see here this is also in formula as question number 2. So you can simplify this. If you simplify this, then you will find that root over 5 whole square minus root over 2 whole square equal to 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So this is the simplification of question number 4. Now so question number 3 is not so important, but 4 is important, but here there is a problem that to solve this you must use a geometrical instrument. So in this class, this geometrical instrument, use of geometrical instrument is not possible, so that is why we should leave this question number 4. Now move to question number 5. You can see here, rationalize the denominators of the following. These are same as example 20. So you can see here root over 7 is an irrational number, but you have to turn this irrational number into rational number. Let's do it. So multiply another root over 7 with this root over 7. So 1 into root over 7 is equal to root over 7, and here you can see root over 7 into root over 7 is equal to 7. Now 7 is rational. So this is the solution of question number 1. Now next move to question number 2. You can see here root over 7 minus root over 6, here is a minus. So you have to multiply this term with another term having plus. So do this. 1 by root over 7 minus root over 6 is equal to 1 into root over 7 plus root over 6, and multiply this root over 7 minus root over 6 whole into root over 7 plus root over 6. Now you can see denominator is in formula, that is 7 square minus root over 6 whole square. In the above you can see 1 into root over 7 into root over 7 plus root over 6, so it will remain same, root over 7 plus root over 6. So if you now this denominator will be 49 minus 6, 49 minus 6, and the numerator will remain same. So now root of 49 minus 6, you will have 43, which is a rational number, and numerator will remain same. So this is the solution of question number 2. Finally, you have got root over 7 plus root over 6 divided by 43, which 43 here. 43 is a rational number. Now question number 3, you can see here same 1 root over 5 plus root over 2, and here root over 5 plus root over 2 whole into root over 5 minus root over 2. So if you multiply this, root over 5 whole square minus root over 2 whole square, and numerator will remain same. Here 5 minus 2, and numerator here 5 plus root 2, and then next line 5 plus root over 5 plus root over 2, and in the denominator 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Now 3 is rational. So in this way you can solve this type of question. So now come to question number 4. You can see 1 by root over 7 minus 2. So this term we have to turn into rational. You see here 1 by root over 7 minus root over 2 is equal to 1 into root over 7 minus root over 2, and in the denominator root over 7 minus 2. This is not root over but only 2 whole into root over 7 minus 2. Numerator will remain same, root over 7 minus 2, and here is in formula, which is multiplied by 1, root over 7 plus 2. So it is root over 7 into root over 7, so root over 7 whole square, so we have 7 minus 2 into 2, 4. So as you know, numerator will remain same, root over 7 plus 2, and denominator will remain, so 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. So 3 is rational. So this way you can solve this type of question. So we are going to conclude this class today. So you can make note on these classes for future reference. So thank you. So next class will be started from exercise 1.6. Thank you.